Okay, welcome to question number 2 regarding blood pressure. When measuring blood pressure by the auscultatory method, sounds heard are generated in the heart. Okay, so the auscultatory method involves tying a cuff around the arm and inflating it until blood flow in the brachial artery is completely blocked. Then releasing the pressure from the cuff bit by bit with a stethoscope at the antecubital fossa until small amounts of blood can flow through with a turbulent flow, creating the characteristic sounds known as the Korotkoff sounds. Okay, now there are 5 Korotkoff sounds. The initial tapping sound you hear is the systolic pressure, followed by a tapping murmur, then a loud and clear tapping sound, then a muffled sound, and then the 5th sound is silence. The 5th sound, which is silence, is at the level of your diastolic pressure. Now these sounds are generated in the brachial artery, not in the heart, so the question is false.